Today's video is about the steps in solving homogeneous differential equation. So let's have our first example.
The quantity of x plus y times dx minus x dy is equals to 0. Step 1 is test if it's a homogeneous differential equation. The standard form of homogeneous differential equation is mxy dx plus nxy dy is equals to 0. To be considered as homogeneous differential equation, the degree of m must be equal to the degree of n. By looking at the equation, the degree of our m is 1, and the degree of our n is also 1. And since they have the same degree, it means that it is a homogeneous differential equation. Step 2 is let y is equals to vx or x is equals to vy. In this equation, the easiest thing to use is y is equals to vx. We let y is equals to vx, and at the same time, we need to differentiate this function using product rule. The derivative of y is dy is equals to the derivative of vx using product rule is v dx plus x dv. Step 3 is substitute the step 2 result to the given equation. It means that we replace y to vx and dy to v dx plus x dv. So it's going to be x plus vx times dx minus x times your dy, which is v dx plus x dv is equals to 0. And then distribute dx to x and vx, and negative x to v dx and x dv. So it will be x dx plus vx dx minus vx dx minus x squared dv is equals to 0. Vx dx minus vx dx is 0, so it will be cancel, and the remaining will be x dx minus x squared dv is equals to 0. Step 4 is separate the variables. At this point, we need to divide both sides by x squared to be separate with dv. X dx over x squared is 1 over x dx minus dv is equals to 0. Step 5 is integrate. The integral of 1 over x dx is ln x minus the integral of dv is v is equals to the integral of 0 is c. Step 6 is substitute v to the original variables. Recall that we have y is equals to vx. So our v is equals to y over x. So it's going to be ln x minus v, which is your y over x, is equals to c. Simplify this to avoid complex fraction by multiplying x. So our final answer will be x ln x minus y is equals to cx, or y is equals to x ln x minus cx.
And that would be the end of the discussion. I hope you learned with this video, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.